Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now in this video, I'm be going over LiveGood. Okay, it's the company I joined. I'm about 3 weeks in to the program. I'm really liking it. And there's a couple stuff, couple things that they added, like the My Enroller tab, the leaderboard. They have leaderboards now, and you can see your statistics now as well too. So I'm gonna be going over that. So these are my stats so far. This is not just 1 week, but the whole entire time I've been in the company since the 28th. Okay, and so these are all the leads and the pre-enrollees I got, and I have the one sign up back on January 2nd. Okay, now I'm gonna be going over a couple other things. I'm gonna go to my team real quick and go to my matrix. So that is starting to fill up a little bit more. And tomorrow night is the cutoff, so I expect that to fill in a little bit more from spillover as well too. Okay, so I'm gonna go over my power line real quick, and these are all the people that's under me. Okay, and these are all the people in the company so far. Some of these are pre-enrollees. But yeah, that's 48,000, over 48,700 people, or under 48,700 people. Okay, so it's exploding pretty quickly. So, and if you go all the way down here, it's still growing. Okay, and now, so since I have a lot of cold traffic, it's not gonna all convert at once. So you can't expect to send cold traffic to it and have people sign up the very next day. You have to at least send a welcome email on your behalf, but the company does a good job of following up with people also. And they do have a robust modern marketing system. It's pretty good. So I'm going to go over that right now as well too. So you have your different websites, okay? You have a retail site, the corporate site, and the power line landing page, and that's the one you want to market. But I do recommend you creating your own landing page if you need some help with that. I have a program here. If you join, do you decide to join my team, I will share the link with you and the share code as well. And I'll go over to my funnel real quick and show you. Let me see, just waiting for it to load up. Okay, so this is the LiveGood funnel here, and I'm gonna be creating some more funnels, and here's mine here. Okay, so it's simple. You don't even have to create the full the first and last name. You just put in your email address here, and that's about it really. So, and let me go back here. Now I am gonna go over a couple other things that I like about the company. The other things are that they have some very good products here. Also, you don't need an auto ship, okay? So it's like a membership, like kind of like Costco. It's only nine 95 a month, okay? And you do have to pay a one-time fee of $40, so it's a total of $49.99 one time, and then $9.99 after that, okay? And what else I was gonna go over here? Oh yeah, and then let's see, we're gonna go over a couple other things real quick. So I did get a $25 um, fast start commission, and then we're gonna go over to the pay plan real quick, and I'll go over that really quick with you. So there is different ways to earn, actually six. Okay, you got the weekly fast start commissions. That's anyone that you get in, you automatically get that $25 commission. Okay, and like I covered earlier, it's going to be $49.95, and you will receive a reward of $25 commission paid out every week, or paid out the very next week. Okay, that you got that person in. All right, and so here's the fast start commissions here. Okay, So each person on the first level that you get in, no matter the rank, you'll get 50% on the first level. And on the second level, for bronze, you get 10% to diamond. And then on the third level, you'll get 5% from silver to diamond. And then fourth level, 5% from silver to diamond. And then on the fifth level, it's gold to diamond, you'll get 3%. And then on the sixth level, from gold to diamond, you'll get 2% um, on 6 levels deep. Okay, so that's pretty good. And on level 7, it's the same, 2 for platinum and diamond. 8 is 1% for platinum and diamond, and then all the way down to 9 and 10 if you hit the diamond level. Okay, so second one, you have the matrix commissions. Okay, so the good thing about this is you'll earn 2.5% on everyone in the matrix, regardless of whether you bring them in or not. So that is actually outstanding. I like that force matrix. Okay, and these are the numbers down here. So you'll get 2,447.50, even if you have not brung anyone in. But I do still recommending building your teams and bringing um, much people in as possible, so that way you're just not waiting for spillover, because that's not guaranteed. So just keep that in mind, okay? And like I said, all percentages are based on $9.95 monthly membership fees. Commissions for members who join at the yearly option will be paid out over 12 months as a $9.95 per month, okay? So you also get your matching bonuses as a huge, as huge as the fast start commissions and the matrix bonuses are. Our matching bonuses are even bigger. So whatever your personally enrolled members make on the first level, it's 50%. So, and then it goes down to silver 10%, gold 5%, and the deeper of the higher rank you go, the deeper the generation you earn matching bonuses on. Okay. All right, and then you get your retail commissions, and here's the ranks and the amount you'll get on your retail commissions if you make a sale on that. Okay, so number 5, the influencer bonuses for affiliates who choose to market products to retail customers on a larger scale. You will earn additional bonuses on all that volume. In fact, you will earn up to 100% of differences between the member price and the retail price on all orders you referred retail customers. Okay, so you have your diamond bonus pool. Okay, our affiliates are a huge part of the success of our company. We recognize that and want to reward you even more by allowing you to share in the total sales of the entire company. Once you achieve diamond rank, you will share in 2% of the total company sales every month. Okay, so the diamond pool is a 2% split between all qualified diamond ranked members. Okay, so I mean, this is an awesome company. Like I said, no auto ship, just a monthly membership, kind of like Costco or any those companies out there. Okay, so if you are ready to join and come on my team, go ahead and click the link below, take your free tour, and get started.